540. 1.5 spins right there, starting backwards, lining up a forward trick here on jump number 2. Big 720, spun to the right. Will we see one to the left on her final jump? A terrific run to start the finals. If you look at amplitude, she took those larger jumps. You look at difficulty, high degree of difficulty, great variety. I'm no slope style judge, but I think that score is very high. I think that you're right, and you can see how powerful she is. Look her put the landing gear down right there. Hold on, her skis are bouncing, but she's stable from the ankles up. There you can see the switch 540 reaches down, that mitten clutches the ski, puts the landing gear down again. 2 540s, very different, although they have the same degree of spin. And then at the bottom, she ups things to a left side 720, 2 complete spins, lays it back a little, and locks in that tail grab.